Okay, so this is quiz number 14. Again, we're going to try to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit looking back in from A to B. All right, so we notice here we just need to do a bunch of different transformations to try to to fix this, and so or to get it into a voltage source and a current source. So we notice we could actually convert this doing a source transformation, and so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to have a current source then in parallel with a 5 ohm resistor, and the current source is going to be 25 divided by 5, or 5 amps. And then we'll have the 20 ohm resistor, the 3 amp current source, and the 4 ohm resistor. Now we can combine these two resistors, and we can also combine these two current sources. So notice they're in parallel, so we basically add them as long as the current direction is the same. So we're going to have an 8 amp current source in parallel with so in this case we're going to have 5 in parallel with 20, which is going to be 5 times 20 divided by 5 plus 20. So what's this, 100 over 25, or 4 ohms. So there's a 4 ohm resistor. And then we have a 4 ohm resistor here. Okay, so these are equivalent from at least the A-B perspective. A-B looking in. Okay, and this is going to be, we could then make this equivalent by doing another source transformation. A voltage source, our 4 ohm resistor, in series with a 4 ohm resistor. And this voltage source is going to be 8 times 4, so 32 volts. Again, that's equal to these circuits looking back in. And then, of course, this is going to be equal to a 32 volt source and an 8 ohm resistor, AB. So here's our Thevenin voltage, there's our Thevenin current. So this would be 32 volts, and our Thevenin resistance would then be 8 ohms. Okay, there's how to do quiz number 14.